Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate 50 megapixel camera in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, open camera. Click on camera icon here and by default 50 megapixel camera is not activated, and if you click on it, click on this button, pictures will be taken, and this is not 50 megapixel camera photo. Okay, suppose if you would like to activate 50 megapixel camera, what you have to do is click on more button and you will have 50 MP here. Just click on it so that now resolution is changed to 50 megapixel. Now take a picture from here. Okay. Yes, taken. Okay, now open the picture that you took. This is 50 megapixel activated photo. Okay, see, this is normal photo. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate 50 megapixel camera in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.